Hello YouTube, good afternoon, morning, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Have a guess where I am. Yep, Rectory field, big field, right in the corner. Just thought I'd say hello before I got going really. Hope you like the music. I don't know what I put on yet. Got to be good, innit? Probably more ska, I'd imagine. I don't know. Might have put something else on. Yes. Oh dear. Not much to say really, apart from I'm going to go corner to corner of this big field, the opposite side that I haven't done yet. Should be good, let's hope it is. Yes, going to get some treasure today. Oh, pardon me, today, treasure day, definitely, look. Ooh, don't know what that means, but there you go. Yes, treasure! Hopefully, we'll see. Ooh. Also an animal then. Oh well, probably a ghost or something, I don't know. Right, let's get cracking. See what we can find. Woohoo! Well, I'm off to what would be currently known as a dull start, not flying at all. Bottle top. Bloody bottle top. Ding! If I dig deep enough I can drop these down to you, Jim. Dig a big hole and you can have them. Moving on. Well, the next signal out of that hole there wasn't hard to find. Is this little probably copper, electrical termination. There you go. Got me brass bin. Could be worse. I did get a bit excited, but there you go. Ping, 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 pong. Moving on. Ooh, I think I found something interesting. Do you want to have a look? It's the first one I found, if it is what I think it is, a proper one. Do you want to have a look? Go on. Alright, I'll show you. 1 second. Well, it doesn't look like much, does it? But I think, there you go, I think this is a bag seal. It doesn't look like a smashingly super one, but let me clean it up and I'll show you. Ooh, exciting, that, isn't it? 1 sec. Well, sadly I don't think it's anything special. Oh, crikey. Can you see any detail on there? I can't. Oh, the wind's just got up. And it's... Oh, hold on, just let me get my glove. Yeah, I don't think it's anything special. It's got a bit of age to it, but... Yeah. Just a... bag seal. Of no fixed abode, or whatever it is, I don't know. Moving on. Bloody hell. Now, apologies for the noise by the way. Now I can't say that I didn't get really excited about this one. Oh, but as you can tell by the tone of my voice and the way I am speaking, it's a flare base. Oh, it was like that. And I thought, I wonder if... Well, I don't know where I thought. Anyway, there you go. I think it's an 1.5 inch flare base. I'm moving on. Popular in the 70s they were. Oh no, that was the other flares. Sorry. The next jolly signal out of that hole, just there, by my coil, on the floor, was this. What the... I think I've had a couple of these now. Sort of had like a tinfoil tape bit dangling off it. Any ideas? Anybody know about farming bits? Looks like a valve or something. Nonsense anyway. Sorry again, Jim. But that's poop. Moving on. Well, the next signal out of that hole is a tiny buckle. Very tiny. Hence, very hard to find. Me. But there it is. It's my buckle now. I don't think it's that old. Brass, I would think. But yeah, that's nice. I'll take that. Ooh. Oh, it's like an open mouth. Oh, I don't know. Or a buckle, for instance. Oh, I wish this helicopter would get lost. Anyway, Moving on. It's quite nice that. Oh, I've got another one of these bloody things, and it's because I think it's because the tape's got aluminium in it. One of these, number 2. Zippity doo dah. Oh well. Moving on. Surface find number 3. These must be, I don't know what they are. Bloody annoying though. Bugger off. Ah dear. Moving on. Pretty sure I know what's going to be in this clod. Well, mainly because I opened it and closed it again for effect. But yeah. Look what's in there. I could have gone, ooh, guess what's in there, blah blah blah. But this is real metal detecting. Only clickbait nonsense. Is that, I don't know, no it's not, is it? Another one. Oh my days. Well, I'm going to ignore them. Things, if you ignore them signals from now on, who knows what it's going to be. Toilet, that's what it is. Oh, go away, bloody helicopter. Moving on. All that, see that? Look at it, look at the hole. Yes, you can see what I found. Oh yes. Jim, this one's for you, mate. Catch. Bloody aluminium thing. Oh. How frustrating yet fun this hobby can be. Moving on. The next signal, not too deep, out of there, is this. Doo-doo. Little brass hydraulic end fitting. Ooh. Oh, look at the thread on that, eh? Oh, nice. Lovely. Ah, that's a fitting end to this hunt. I haven't finished yet, but you know, that would be a good joke if it was the last signal, but it isn't. So, an unintended pun. I don't know. Ooh. I don't think that's mouse related, do you? Can you think of any mouse related equipment that could be? No, neither can I, hence I didn't mention it. Anyway, moving swiftly along. Oh my god. Or OMG as the kids say, I don't know. Yeah. I thought I was pulling out a ring pull. I was convinced. It was like showing 2 inch down. Pinging nicely though. And, well, as I'll show you, it was. About, I'd say 4 inch down. Maybe this has flattened out since it was original furrow. Who knows? But yeah. Ooh. Found something bloody nice. Do you want to see it? I'll give you a countdown. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to do German. 3, 2, 1. Or any of that, I don't know. I'll just show you, shall I? I'll shut up and show you. It's under there. Not so it didn't blow away. I just put my glove on it and then put that on it so it didn't blow away. Look at that. Look at that beauty. I think that's the side I saw it. Would you believe that was interrupted by a cold caller? Oh. Anyway, yeah, that's the side I saw it on. And I flipped it over and I think that's going to have some nice decoration on it. A nice double looped buckle. Ooh, who fancies dating that? I don't care, because it's gorgeous. I do like spectacle buckles. That's another one for the flow. Ooh, your beauty. Oh, I went into Aaron mode then. Your beauty. Ladies and gentlemen, a spectacle buckle. Oh, I'll just give it a little bit of a careful clean up and I'll show you what it looks like underneath that dirt. That is as much as I want to do to it, to be fair. It does look a little mangled, but oh, that's lovely. Nice and old, that is. Yeah, I'll have a look date wise when I'm sorting my finds out. Ooh, I think that's my fourth. Is it my fourth spectacle? It's only my fourth spectacle buckle, so but I like these more than anything. Well, no, obviously in the metal detector mill, of course. Yay! Anyway, moving on in a sort of 16th, 17th century manner. I don't know. Chuff with that. Just need a good one for the thumbnail. So smile, shouldn't I? Looks like a massive ring pull. Believe me, it is not. Moving on. Underneath that clod is what I've just found. Have a guess what it is. I'll give you 5 seconds. What did you guess? Was it A, a lovely coin, B, a Roman artefact, or C, that? Well, if you guessed C, you were right and can have yesterday off and a bag of air. Bloody annoying, isn't it, tinfoil? Oh dear. Sorry for messing you about. Moving on. Well, from artifacts to nonsense. There's a tube of no idea, something X. Can't quite read it. Rolex. Oh, a tube of Rolex. Woohoo! Yeah, it's got some nonsense on the back. Bang on my glasses, I can't read it, so I'm not bothered because it's a tube, isn't it? Ah dear. Moo tube, horse tube. Do they do horse tubes? Somebody asked me if they do horse tubes. I don't know, I'd imagine. Could do. And that tube. Get it. Moving on. Next signal out of there is strip of bloody aluminium. Oh, I should really bring my glasses with me. Nothing on it anyway. Ah dear. Moving on. Well, that's nothing special. It's only a little, what, 6-7 centimetre diameter ring, brass ring. It's not even it's a modern-ish, I suppose, but it's just an indication of how the Garrett with a Maz coil can find little things too. Oh dear. Talking it up, aren't I? Just a brass ring's rubbish. Moving on. Well, the next signal, whilst not amazing, is amazing, really. Look at that. No, it's just one buckle. There's the impression. And here's the buckle. Just in case you didn't know which one was which. Nice old brass buckle. Obviously, there's the reason it's in the hole, or in the ground. Snap. Yeah. Nice bit of brass there. Nothing spectacular, just a bit of tack, but or buckle off some tack, reasonably large or something like that. Yeah. Well, they'll take that. On to the next. Only joking. Moving on. Well, that's just the way this hobby goes, really. Find the spectacle buckle, really old thing, a nice artefact, and then you find some form of vent plug. Yay! Which I'm pretty sure is going to be my last find of the day, I think. As the those lovely clouds roll in. Be nice and cool today. Yeah, I think I'm going to call it a day there. So yeah, that was good. Excellent spectacle buckle find and some other nonsense. So some other stuff which is nonsense. Yeah, so don't forget to film the holes, wear gloves, have fun, stay safe, and have a good time, really. That's all I can say. Look at that. Ooh, nice Ooh, I can see you through there. Hi there. Oh, Derek, is that you? Oh, yeah. Ben, phone's ringing. Answer it, will you? Right. Catch you next time. Bye.